Alright, so I'm going to turn the flash on here. We'll see if we can see this a little bit better now. You can still see the lights on the bottom. So I installed these ground effects lights the other day, and they're just the Walmart EZLINK lights. If you can see, we're going to kind of come in here a little bit. There's a controller here that I've got wired into the battery. It's actually just into the fuse box. So the fuse box has fuses for the headlight that's in here, and so this is just attached directly to the headlight fuse box. Now when I got this from Walmart, it had absolutely no instructions. Like, the instructions were horrible. So what I found out was that you have to actually snip the wire for the included cigarette lighter adapter. Then you have to strip those wires and pull them apart, and the red wire goes to the headlight adapter or the headlight fuse, and then you take the black wire and just attach it to like a screw or something like that that's on the frame. Now with this, I liked it because you can turn it off and on using this thing, so I don't have to have it on during the day. And this looks really great with blue. So you can do blue, and then there's an intensity, so that's like low intensity, and as you continue to push the button, it's going to get brighter, and there's 10 different levels all the way up until the brightest setting, and then there it goes back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kind of like the brightest setting. So we've got blue, green, red, white, orange, light green, purple, light blue, and yellow. So it looks pretty sweet. Get the good ground effects, get the lighting. I think eventually I'll probably get some more strips and put them up like under the gas tank, maybe below the fairings. I was also thinking about getting a couple extra brake lights in order to have some extra lighting in the back while driving at night. So there you have it. There's the ground effects on the motorcycle. This is a V-Star 650.